Experiment number 4, determination of phase and line quantities in star and delta connected balanced load. Firstly, we will see star connected balanced load system. So this is the circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram, you can see we have first 3-phase supply, then we have star connected load. How we have connected this in star is, we have connected all the end terminals of the load at one point, that is known as neutral point, and we will form a star connected system. To measure the line current, we have connected ammeter A1 in the line. To measure phase current, we have connected ammeter A2 in a phase. Then to measure the line voltage, we have connected voltmeter V1 in between two lines and voltmeter V2 across the phase to measure the phase voltage. Now we will compare this circuit diagram with the kit. So you can see here, this is the supply RYB. So here on the kit we have supply RYB. And then we have this star RYB. This is here R, Y and B. So these 4 points are at same potential, these 4 points are at same potential, and these 4 points are also at same potential. Then we have load. This is resistive load. In this load we have 3 loads, R1, R2, Y1, Y2, B1, B2. To put the load in this circuit, what we have 4 knobs here. So when we turn on first knob, the load in the circuit becomes 0.5 amperes. When I turn on second knob, the load becomes 1 ampere, that is 0.5 plus 0.5. All these 4 loads are of 0.5 amperes each. So we will keep turning on one by one knobs and keep increasing the load in the circuit. I will turn off these 2 knobs now and we will start rigging up the circuit. So now first what we will do is we will connect this star point. How to connect this star point? We will take one wire from R2 and take it to neutral, from Y2 to neutral and from B2 to neutral, and we will get a star connected balanced load. We will see it now. So R2 will go to neutral, Y2 will go to neutral and B2 will go to neutral. So what we have done is, we have formed a star connected system by connecting all these 3 endpoints to the neutral. Now see the circuit again. From R phase we are going to the ammeter. So from R supply we will go to the ammeter, positive. Negative of the ammeter A1 will go to R star. Then from R star we will go to ammeter A2 and negative of the ammeter A2 will go to R1. So this will complete the circuit for R phase. You can see here again, from the R supply we are going to ammeter A1. From negative of the ammeter we are going to R. From R we are going to positive of the ammeter A2. From the negative of the ammeter A2 we are going to R1. So this is the circuit for R phase. Now we will go to Y phase. So from Y supply to Y star, then from Y star to Y1. Again see here, so from Y supply to Y star and from Y star to Y1. Then coming to the B phase, from B supply we will go to B. From B star we will go to B1. So here from B supply we have gone to B star, from B star to B1 here. Now we are done with the ammeter connections and the star connection. Now what we need to do is we need to connect these two voltmeter V1 across the line and V2 across the phase. So how we will connect it? From the positive of the voltmeter we will go to red. From negative of voltmeter V1 we will go to white. So what we have done? We have connected this voltmeter across the line to measure the line voltage. Now to measure the phase voltage, positive of voltmeter V2 will go to R and negative of the voltmeter V2 will go to neutral. What we have done now, we have connected the voltmeter V2 to measure the phase voltage across red phase. You can connect it in any phase. Okay, so our circuit is complete. We will turn on the supply now. So once we turn on the supply, you can see the line voltage is 397 and the phase voltage is 13 and there is no current. As we have not put any load, so there is no load, there is no current in the circuit. So we will turn on the load now. First load we have turned on at 0.5 amperes and you can note down the value of line current and the phase current. As we know in the star connected system, IL, that is line current, is always equal to phase current. So you can see here, and the relation between VL and IP is VL is equal to √3 times the VP. So you can see this relation. So note down this reading at 0.5 load. Similarly, you can take the readings at 1 ampere, that is 0.5 and plus 0.5, at 1.5 and at 2 amperes. Note down the readings and you can prove the relation of star connected balance load. Then remove the loads after taking the readings. Remove the loads from the circuit and turn off the supply. That's it.